Hyundai has developed a reputation for building dependable and affordable cars. The Hyundai Venue also adheres to these principles. For a commuter, the 2020 Hyundai Venue is a dependable option. The SUV has problems with everything from faulty brake and accelerator pedals to dim headlights, but there aren't any significant issues with the car. Overall, the 2020 model year receives a 4-star safety rating and a respectable 29 complaints, according to the Car Complaints website. The sales of SUVs have increased significantly as a result of these encouraging reliability trends. Hyundai After Sales also guarantees sincere customer service. The Honda HR-V, Ford EcoSport, and Nissan Kicks are just a few of the SUVs the Hyundai competes against. Let's take a closer look at the 2020 Hyundai Venue issues. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Brake pedal. Users of the Hyundai Venue criticize a design flaw. The brake pedal rests higher than the accelerator pedal, which is the problem. The user's foot is entrapped under the brake pedal as a result of this offset. This may lead to braking failure and raise the likelihood of a collision. Additionally, complaints state that depressing the brake pedal all the way does not initiate braking. Driver aids. Defects in the SUV's driver assistance systems are common. Lane Keep Assist and Adaptive Cruise Control on the Hyundai Venue both fail. This aligned Lane Keep Assist causes the SUV to veer off the road and into oncoming traffic. A sudden drop in vehicle speed is caused by the Adaptive Cruise Control malfunction. These two flaws both raise the possibility of a crash. Exterior lighting. The SUV's headlights and taillights are allegedly too dim, according to users' complaints. Vision while driving at night is compromised by dim illumination. This could make crashes more likely. Acceleration. There aren't many complaints about the Hyundai Venue's accelerator pedal. When the accelerator pedal is depressed, the vehicle loses speed. Users claim that when the accelerator was depressed at 65 miles per hour, the speed dropped to 10 miles per hour. The likelihood of crashing increases with a sudden decrease in speed. Power steering. Users report instances of lost steering control due to power steering failure. The vehicle's ability to handle is compromised as a result. Failure of the power steering system can make collisions more likely. Airbags. Users of the Hyundai Venue have reported a few instances of airbag issues. This causes problems with airbag deployment. The issue prevents the airbags from deploying in the event of a collision. This jeopardizes user security and raises the risk of injury. Recalls. The 2020 Venue model is only subject to one new recall. Metal shards from a seatbelt pretensioner explosion may fly into the car, hit the passengers, and cause damage. The front driver side and passenger side seatbelt pretensioners may blow up when they deploy in the event of a collision. Dealers will provide a free cap to protect the seatbelt pretensioners. On October 25, 2022, owner notification letters were sent out. Should you buy the 2020 Hyundai Venue? As a daily commuter, the Hyundai Venue is a wise choice. The compact SUV is suitable for city driving but can also handle fast highway speeds. The SUV is a sensible and dependable option for a family car. Despite Hyundai's emphasis on providing a dependable experience, the Venue has a few problems. These problems range from power steering problems to brake problems.